Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Benvenuti in Italia! Guys, we're here at Two Sizes.
Looking forward to next.
Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And tonight, I'm on travel mode. Look at that. See? I'm currently at my sister's house. And I'll be traveling with them. With my sisters and my cousin. Guess where? To Europe! Yeah! And I'm so excited kasi first time ko sa Europe. And right now, we're just waiting for the taxi to pick us up and drop us at Zayed International Airport. So, see you there. Ayan na guys, ready na kami. Dami. Super dami.
Ang susi, July,
Mga susi, mga phone, mga charger. Huwag kalimutan. Say hi! Excited na kayo? Ano masasabi nyo?
sabi namin is...
Walang pera.
Laban lang.
Laban lang.
Laban lang po sa 150 euro na lang namin.
Dito kami ngayon sa Pearl Lounge because we want to try it. It's our first time to try the Pearl Lounge. Dahil meron ako lounge access because of my master. And good thing about it is I have 6 free passes which I'm going to share with my sisters and cousins. So guys, nandito na ako sa boarding gate with my family and hindi ko na-mention kanina but we're flying to Rome for our Europe adventure and Rome is our entry point and we will be joining a group tour and then we will tour around Europe for 13 days via bus. And then we will be visiting 7 countries in Europe. And I'm so excited because this is my first time in Europe. So, excited na rin akong i-share sa inyo yung adventures namin.
Etihad Airways Flight EY085 to Rome Fiumicino is now ready for boarding. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready. Thank you.
Our flight time to Rome is 5 hours 15 minutes. Thank you for choosing to fly with Etihad Airways. The national airline will be on the image. It has been our pleasure. Taking care of you today. Thank you.
Ready now for Europe adventure!
Welcome to the vlog.
We're now in Rome. Naghihintay lang kami ng taxi namin. We decided to take a taxi to our hotel. Kasi mas efficient dahil marami kami. So dito pala yung pick up point ng mga book taxi. Just find this mobility app taxi sign. And this is our taxi. It can fit 8 persons. Hey guys! Andito na kami sa Rome and our first order of business is bibili kami ng 72-hour na parang metro or bus card. Ang titingnan nyo lang is hanap lang kayo ng tobacco shop. That's where you can buy card. Ito yung tsura niya. Yan. Hanap kayo ng basta makakita kayo ng T sign. It means a tobacco shop, and that's where you can buy yung mga pass card na 72 hour. It only costs now 18 euros. I don't know if it's true. Ito, pumasok na yung kapatid ko para bumili ng card namin. Itsura guys nung metro card. You can use this sa trams, sa bus and metro, and it only costs 18 euros, and you can use this for 72 hours. Only ride siya guys. So when in Rome, bili kayo nito if you're staying for 3 days. So dito kami magsistay while in Rome. It's an Airbnb. Kaya namin guys, that's the lift going to our Airbnb. Yay! Scary. Scary. Wait lang. Sige. Sarado pa? Oo. Wait lang na. Wait. I don't wanna be the equity. So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Airbnb namin dito sa Rome. And I'm going to show you a quick room tour. Nandito na yung living room, and there's a kitchen area here. You can turn that sofa into a bed. Tapos, another balcony. And merong pa welcome gift si Mayora. May wine dyan pero nilagay na sa ref. And then, ito yung first bedroom. Na good for 3. And then, ang ganda dito kasi merong balcony na naman. And see the view. See that view? Hindi ko na lang bubuksan. Tapos, akyat naman tayo dito sa second floor. Ito naman yung second floor. Merong 2 bedrooms dito. And then, 1 toilet and 2 showers. Ayan. If you're coming as a group, maganda tong Airbnb na to. Kasi maraming toilet and shower. Meron pa dun sa baba. But someone is using it. And then, here's my room. Inangkin ko na talaga kasi extra to. And then, another one where my sister and her husband is staying. Ayan, another window view of the city. Look at that view, guys. It's the view of our Airbnb. And right now, nagre-ready lang kami to go and explore this eternal city. And ang first stop namin is magla-lunch kami sa one of the restaurants recommended by our host. And I'll take you there. Can't wait to try the pasta, pizza, and everything. See ya! Wala itong elevator. Narrow elevator. Hi! Akalain nyo naka-experience kami ng ganitong elevator at kasya kaming 4. O diba? Nandito na kami ngayon sa L'Antica Freschetta to have lunch, and ang in-order ko is the tonarelli cacio e pepe with truffle. Sabi daw ng waiter is one of the best sellers to dito sa restaurant na ito. And me, I love truffle, so try talaga natin. I'm so excited, guys. This is the authentic Italian pasta. Guys, nandito na yung cacio e pepe with truffle. Sabi ng waiter, this is handmade pasta. So we'll try. Kasang lasa mo yung truffle. Yan, iba yung texture ng pasta nila. Ibang-iba sa yung nabibili mo sa supermarket. So this is how authentic Italian pasta tastes like. Grabe. Sarap. Hi guys, sobrang busog ko dun sa lunch namin sa Liantica Freschetta. Yun pala yung taste ng Italian pasta. Sobrang al dente niya, and then makapal yung niya, yung pasta nila dito. And now papunta kami ngayon sa Mr. 100 Tiramisu for dessert. So try natin 'yon. Where's the classic? This is the classic?
Classic, this is number 26. And coming number 32.
Ito na guys, classic tiramisu. Look at that. Hindi siya matamis. Sakto lang. Yummy! We will ride the bus 70. Good morning guys, it's our day 2 here in Rome, and today we're going to the Vatican to check out the museums and the Sistine Chapel. Makikita din kami ng tita ko doon sa Vatican because she's a nun here. Compared kahapon, it's partly cloudy. And sana mamaya maging sunny siya. Medyo kasi nakakasad pag parang cloudy or gloomy yung weather. We're going to take the metro train. Sabi, 22 minutes lang daw yung biyahe from our Airbnb to the Vatican. So, see you there. By the way, this is my brother-in-law. Vlogger din siya, si Jazz. And ilalagay ko yung YouTube channel niya dyan. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel din, ha? Okay. Say hi!
Hi!
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Treating every night.
May mga pickpocket dito na nag-aabang. So, ingat kayo sa mga belongings nyo, okay? Yung travel tip when in Rome. Guys, look what we found. There's a Jollibee in town. Ayan, oh, the famous Chicken Joy. Wow. Pero, pass po na kami sa Jollibee, guys.
Right na yan.
Ito yung tsura ng Jollibee. Jollibee day ka, Jay. We're now here, guys, at the Vatican Museum. Since may ticket na kami, we'll just go straight to the entrance. We booked the tickets online. Kaya travel tip, pag bibisita kayo ng Vatican Museum, I recommend that bumili kayo ng skip the line entry. Otherwise, tagal kayo makakapasok. Kasi marami ding pumipila na without reservation. So guys, may tatlong passageway dito pag nakabili kayo ng ticket. So make sure na tingnan nyo yung passageway number sa ticket nyo. Otherwise, babalik na naman kayo sa linya. Yun. may bayad ang audio guide. Guys, kung gusto nyo mag-audio guide, yun ang price. Guys, super ganda dito. Amazing. Grabe guys. Tignan nyo. Kala mo, embossed or parang inukit. Pero it's just a painting. Grabe yung Renaissance age talaga ng mga artists. Sa Sistine Chapel, bawal mag-picture and mag-video. So, ito yung itsura ng ceiling ng Sistine Chapel. And then, ito yung pinaka-highlight no painting, The Creation of Adam by Michelangelo. So, basically, lahat ng paintings nito sa Michelangelo ang gumawa. Amazing, di ba? I love this painting kasi, alam mo yun, yung parang si God nag-reach out talaga kay Adam. Despite of all our failures and mga pagkukulang natin, and despite our sin, God loves us so much that He wants to reach out to us. Thank you, God, for your love.
Nagkita na kita sa Italiante. Ano, Diyos, sama yun. Ano ka, Bisaya?
May sa Vatican guys, pero ang haba ng linya, ang taas ng linya sa papuntang St. Peter's Basilica. That's the St. Peter's Basilica. So, ang plan namin is babalik na lang kami bukas ng umaga. So, travel tip, if you want to go to the St. Peter's Basilica, punta muna kayo dito bago kayo pumunta ng Vatican Museum or Sistine Chapel. So, trying out the gnocchi. So fresh. Risotto guys.
Legit.
Kaya may ano ko. Sarap ng risotto guys. And then this carbonara. Guys, pag pumunta kayo dito sa La Vittoria, orderin nyo itong carbonara. Super sarap. Mas masarap to kasi din kahapon sa Yantica. This restaurant is since 1919. Diba? Amazing. Guys, the pizzas are here. First time ko kumain ng Italian pizza. Pakikuha mo na ako ng itong risotto, artichoke risotto. Tikman muna natin itong risotto artichoke. Mas masarap yung risotto kanina na seafood. Lasa-lasa po siya. Ito, okay lang. But this one, pizza. Thin crust. Masarap. At ng cheese. Finally. Ito ang legit na pizza. Look at the colors. Ganda, no?
So may artichoke siya. Tapos parang white.
So, kanina, pupunta kami sa Vatican City. And then, we met our aunt. Bale, sister ng papa namin. And then, we went back to the house para magpahinga lang ng saglit. And now we're going to visit the Trevi Fountain, which is just 17 minutes away from our place. Tingnan nyo guys, super liit. It's just there, okay? I noticed na ang daming maliliit na cars dito. Mabibilang mo lang yung mga SUV. Sanay ako sa Dubai na puro mga SUV nakikita ko. I guess siguro kasi you know, like that one. So cute. Maliliit lang kasi yung mga parking space dito tsaka yung mga kalye. So maybe that's why the people here prefer small cars. And if you'll notice, yung mga buildings sila, ang architectural style is old, classic. I don't know how you call this kind of architecture. Renaissance feel to it, which adds old charm in the city. Pati yung road nila guys, cobblestone pa rin. Gaano na kaya katagal itong mga cobblestone na to? Amazing. So guys, andito na kami sa Trevi Fountain and sadly, it's surrounded by surrounded with this. Sayang, hindi namin naabutan. Kaya daw may ganito because of just an ongoing renovation in preparation of the Jubilee. So yan, may reason pa ako para bumalik dito. Pit stop muna kami dito sa Limone. This is the lemon granita. It cost 5 euros. So guys, galing kami sa Uniqlo. Compared sa Pinas na price, medyo pricey ang Uniqlo nila dito. Pero the good thing about this Uniqlo is meron silang mga items dito na hindi mo makikita sa Pinas, especially the winter clothes, diba? So if you want to invest in winter clothes, buy it here, or kung makapunta pa kayo ng Japan, buy it in Japan na lang. Ngayon, pupunta kami sa Venchi to have gelato. Meron siyang 14,000 reviews. So, mukhang masarap ang gelato nila. So, titikman natin yan. One pistachio and crema Venchi. Okay. So this is my first time, guys, to try the gelato. happy. Hindi siya matamis, guys. Ang sarap. Good morning, guys. It's our day 3 here in Italy. And today, medyo puno ang itinerary natin ngayon. Starting off at St. Peter's Basilica, babalik kami doon kasi kahapon, paglabas namin ng Vatican, ang haba na ng linya. So we decided we'll just go back to the Basilica today and explore it as early as possible para wala pang masyadong tao. Wala pang masyadong tao, guys. Kaya pag pupunta kayo dito, much better pag umaga. Early in the morning. Hi, guys. Andito na kami sa loob ng Basilica. Compared kahapon, ngayon, hindi ganoon kahaba yung pila. Takes only a few minutes yung flow ng pila bago ka makapasok. May security check lang at the entrance. Grabe, entrance pa lang, oh. Napaka-intricate na ng design. I can only imagine paano ito ginawa, guys. Grabe, no? It's trivia lang. Itong door na pala na to is open every 25 years. They say that it's the doorway to heaven. So, next year, Jubilee, bubuksan nila ito for visitors. Wow! Oh my gosh. Grabe, guys. Amazing ang architecture. Oh my gosh, this is the Pieta finally! Nakita ko na ang Pieta. Guys, aakyat sana kami sa dome. But we realize yung 10 euros pala is elevator plus stairs. And we have to take another 320 steps just to reach the top. Kung 8 euros yung babayaran mo, 551 steps ang aakyatin mo. Hindi na kami bata. Hindi na namin kaya yung 320 steps. And I saw on other YouTube channels, sobrang narrow nung stairs. And parang nakakahingal yun, guys. Hindi ko kakayanin yung 320 steps na hindi ka pa pwedeng mag-break. Kasi maraming aakyat din sa taas. So, kailangan tuloy-tuloy. Kung wide siguro yung stairs, pwede pa. But, we decided, wag na. i-spend na lang namin yung time exploring the city. Guys, pag late kayo darating dito sa St. Peter's Square, nandito na yung pila. And then doon pa yung entrance. Diyan somewhere. Diba? So it pays to come here early.
Sama na?
Tatlo na lang nakita.
Parang sana lang isa.
Strings attached, maybe we could take that back, make it what it is. I wanna be with you, we just get along so well. Want you, baby, to myself.
So guys, dito kami ngayon sa Pompey to try some of Italy Rome pastries. I'm trying this cannoli.
Canola oil.
Sarap nito. I like this. Next, I'm gonna try their tiramisu. Sobrang strong ng coffee flavor. Then next is the maritozzo. Hirap naman kainin ito, guys. Kaya nga.
Teka, rin ganun ba sa tiramisu?
Sa tatlo, ito yung pinaka-least favorite ko. Sarap yung cannoli, tiramisu, and then this is the last. Kala ko matamis siya, hindi naman pala. Medyo bland siya. Oh guys, Jollibee in Rome.
Order. Talaga siya breakfast, hindi rin siya lunch. So, dito tayo sa, kita nyo ba to? Jollibee. So, it's just the Filipino in our veins.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slowly, somewhere in the gray unknown. When I return from the afterglow.
Guys, we're here at Aliantico Vinayo. And we ordered tartufo 4 because I love truffle. So, itong ham is cooked in truffle. So, let's see. Laki.
Yan, pang-salad. Nilagay sa box bread.
Classic Italian flavor.
May artichoke cream din.
Ako nakuha ng ano.
Guys, we're now here at the Pantheon and sadly, may mga barriers na naman ulit. We're here at Two Sizes to try their tiramisu. Gusto namin malaman kung ano yung pinakamasarap na tiramisu dito. So, we'll try now. Medyo on the sweet side siya. Parang mas gusto ko to kaysa yung sa Pompey, no? Pero last lang yung niya, yung cake niya.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Pizzeria Buffetto. Order lang kami ng takeaway kasi ang daming taong kumakain. So, ito yung classic margarita. So, kung makikita nyo, medyo old school na talaga yung restaurante. So, try tayo ng Roman pizza.
Sige, Jess.
Pang
Ikaw
mainit
mag-explain.
Explain ko?
Tagakain lang ako.
So, ang ganda nung pagkakaluto. Teka lang. Kung makakakuha tayo, yun lang. Yan.
Mainit-init.
Sobrang thin crust. Ayan siya. Sobrang nipis. Ito na yung pinakamanipis siguro na matatry ko. Tatry namin ni Mami Myra May. Let's go.
Sarap.
So, dahil manipis siya, well, it lacks a little bit of flavors. Parang kulang siya sa lasa. Acidic from the tomatoes. Very natural. It's not cheesy din. It's crusty. Overall, medyo crusty yung cracker-like yung experience. Could be better. Could be better siya. But it's not that bad. But yeah. Sakto lang. Sakto lang siya. Ikaw, Mami Myra May.
Sobrang nanipisan ako masyado sa crust.
Yeah. Para siyang crackers, no?
Parang pita.
Yeah, okay lang.
But taste-wise is okay.
Taste-wise is okay. Not that bad. 1 to 10 siguro for me. Like honestly, yeah, mga 7. 6.5 to 7. It's a good thing though. It means kailangan pa natin mag-try ng more pa. Hanap pa tayo ng more
Not yet the best pizza.
Yes, not yet the best one. So, looking forward sa next pizza
Not
stop
yet the
natin.
best pizza pero naubos. So guys, we're now here at the Colosseo. Hindi na kami pumasok kasi may bayad din and it's already too late. I can't believe na nandito na ako sa Colosseo. Bucket list check! Guys, I'm having another carbonara because I'm also on the hunt sa best carbonara. And ito siya guys, oh. Sobrang thick ng pasta niya. Mukhang handmade. And ang sarap niya guys. Grabe. Well seasoned. Lasang-lasa yung cheese. And the egg, and so creamy. Susunod kong eat ng carbonara, makakompare ko na siya dito sa Italy. Harap. Try natin itong pizza nila guys. Like it kasi hindi masyadong manipis. Sakto lang. Unlike doon sa pizza na kinain namin kanina. This one is a little bit thicker. See? Good morning guys! It's our day 4 here in Italy and kagabi hindi na ako nakapag goodbye sa inyo. Biglang nakat yung video. I was too tired to end the vlog. Dami namin nilakad. Our day yesterday was fully packed. And today, i-end ko na lang yung vlog na to because we're joining a group tour. And this is our last day in Rome. And we are on our way to Venice. I hope you enjoyed my video here in Rome. And if you are not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa susunod na video. This is not yet the end of our Europe tour. May susunod pa. Next stop will be Venice, so see you there. Bye! Start na ng bootcamp! Para kami nag-amazing race. And we have only 4 minutes to spare. Hindi kami naiwanan. We just made it on time with awesome!